How to close Motusbank account. Log into your Motus online banking account using your credentials. Navigate to the settings or profile section. Look for an option labeled close account or account closure. Click on that option to initiate the account closure process. Review any outstanding transaction or payments linked to your account. Transfer any remaining funds to another bank account. Cancel any recurring payment or direct deposits associated with your Motusbank account. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your decision to close the account. You may need to provide a reason for closing the account. Review and accept any terms and conditions related to account closure. Verify your identity using any authentication methods required by Motusbank. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.